Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday and this is a Wednesday unboxing. Let's begin. Here we go. Let's open it up. Let's see the content. Let me talk about it. And there it is. What is this? They're blocks, sanding blocks, and they're by Linear. Linear has been creating these blocks for a while already, and these are some of the best blocks that you can use for a perfect straight bodywork paint job. Now we got some this one's 23.5 inches long. This one's 17.5. You got a 7.5, and we have another 7.5. These are also for sanding. These are flat blocks, and that's what I'm going to be using. It's one of these to continue on that pickup truck. All right, this is also an air filter that they sent for your air hose, and they also send a roll of 1200 grit sandpaper. What makes these blocks the best for doing body work, it's how flat these blocks are. Now you're gonna say, yeah, but do they bend? Yes sir, they do. That's one of the reasons it has those slits right there. It's gonna allow you to bend and create those curves. That for some reason that's what it's called for, but it is flat. This is as flat as you can get. There it is. Now they are flexible. If it has those slits, it's going to be flexible. If it doesn't, like this one, let me open it up. Like this one that doesn't have slits, this is just sturdy. This is just going to be for flat areas. Real quick, let me mention, these are the regular blocks that everybody uses. Now they're good, but one thing that you got to notice is this is sponge. You can bend it. Now when you're sanding, all of that transferred to your bodywork. All this is gonna bend. Now when you use one of these, it is not gonna bend. This is flat, so this ain't gonna bend like this does. All right, now that you saw these, let me talk about these. These are flat blocks. These do not bend. They do not bend, and they have different sizes. Okay, their function is the exact same thing, but let's say you're gonna work, let me go to the truck real quick. Let's say you're gonna work on a body work that's right there. You can use this, put your sandpaper, and just sand it down, and you know that this is gonna be extremely flat. So I'm gonna leave all the information to this company in the description below. Hit them up, tell them Faraway sent you guys. These are one of the best blocks that I have used. I'm going to show you right now. Yes, I already used them. I'm going to show you right now how they work. There you go. The body work for the door dings is applied. Now, let's start with those blocks. First, before I start sanding with the block, I'm going to cut the top of the body filler. I'm gonna continue to use 180. I'm just gonna rough it up, cut it up, and then I'll go with the blocks. There it is. Let's refine it with the blocks, make it straight. I'm gonna be doing it with this 7.5 straight, has no bend. So it doesn't have the slits. This is not gonna bend. I need it as flat as possible. This one will get me that finish. The sandpaper I'm gonna be using is 180. I don't know if you can see it. Let me peel it off. Right there, 180. There it is. Nice, flat. Let's get to it. Now, after all the body work has been done, time for primer. Real nice job this block did. Nice, straight. Let's apply the primer. After applying the primer, nice, straight. Just gonna let it set so that I can come back and block it. And we're done with the body work. And there it is. The linear blocks. Now the only block I used was this one. Real nice, real flat that it left it. And can't wait to use the other ones, guys. Now if you want to get some of these blocks, like I mentioned, it's going to be in the description below. Go ahead, hit them up, tell them Faraway sent you. And this will be it, guys. This will be it for this video. This is a Wednesday unboxing. And I'll see you this coming weekend for another video. Thank you. And like always, God bless.